and I just feel lousy. Get kind of sleepy afterwards. So it sounds like we eat pretty similarly, although I probably eat more starches than you do.
It's the more processed types of carbohydrates that, as you mentioned, it's like typically you don't feel good after you eat them. And, part of that's the postprandial inflammatory response because some of those foods are a little more inflammatory. I mean, a lot of additives and stuff that are affecting the gut permeabilization. You're leaking lipopolysaccharide into the bloodstream, right?
Yikes.
That's activating the immune system.
We used to inject, I don't do any animal experiments anymore, and I'm actually grateful to not do them. So I didn't like working on animals, but it was what we did until I decided to work on humans. But we used to inject LPS to stimulate an inflammatory response, to kind of prime a regeneration response that you could get through macrophages and things like that. And so LPS is a very potent way to generate local or even systemic inflammation. I think hearing that some starches will stimulate LPS, that's interesting.
Well,
and
let me clarify.
Squares with my experience.
Let me clarify.
I'm not challenging. No. I'm not challenging. It squares with my experiences. I'm one of these, I never get stomach aches, I never get headaches. If I do, something's badly wrong with my stomach or my head. But if I eat certain starches, I'll be like, I feel lousy. And I'm wondering if it's this.
So we have about a gram of LPS in our gut, like that's on average, because lipopolysaccharide is the outer component of the cell membrane of gram-negative bacteria, right?
Yeast. Yeah.
We have a lot of bacteria in our gut, gram-negative bacteria, right? Trillions of bacteria in our gut. So when we eat food, typically, like our gut epithelial cells, we have a tight junction that's holding them together. When we eat food, they transiently open and then close. Like it's kind of a normal response, right? I would say the opposite end of the spectrum of that would be like celiac, where they eat gluten or something. It opens up and stays open, and so you get like a ton of LPS leakage into the system, which causes massive inflammation. It just happens with meals in general. You do get